I have been part of this community from last November, and in January I started my diamond membership journey. As I said, due to my recent role change on my into my the management, I was little worried about my communication to meet many of the seniors people and on-site stakeholders and all. So by the time I was sitting and having a thought, as you all did, I just scrolled down my Facebook. By the time I came across advertisement of coach, and I just felt we can give it a try. So once I joined, hoping to get my communication better, but still I continued because there is a lot of positive and energetic moments that I have gained. Hope you all also gain through our weekly sessions. Yeah, I continued my journey with the silver membership. As you all know, there are a lot of skills I personally acquired, which is all required for my leadership skills. Though there are a lot of information available, but due to my professional and personal reason, I'm not able to fully focus on my execution part. What coach usually used to tell us to boost up your muscles, communication muscles and other skill set muscles, which I'm lacking actually. That's when this diamond membership given a hope. What I said, you will be directly assisting by coach on all your setbacks. He will motivate us in such a way you will never feel low confidence. Okay, with whatever the energy we are in, so he will flow in that way and he will guide us. The one of the significant takeaway for me is the self-audit session. Someone else also mentioning in this call, because that self-audit session is designed in such a way, coach will make you sit and self-realize by yourself what are all your goals and what are all your strengths, weakness, and things required for your vision in your life. Okay, that he will make you realize, because obviously everyone will agree this, when there is a self-realization and self-awareness is there is no pressure needed. That will flow in naturally, right? So that's what the magic happened to me. It's not all about the communication alone. All the skills, being in corporate, what are all the challenges we face, hopefully we have listed from the different perspective. All those will be getting realized on our own, and that will get sorted by guidance of the coach and other available diamond membership. The reason why I'm stressing more on this diamond membership, because the value I got, the personal realization I got, I wanted to share it with you all, most of the silver members, because diamond is already knows about it. The reason why I'm stressing more, the exercises, so what we usually do, we will be having this 1.5 hours duration of this diamond membership. You won't even realize how that 1.5 hours is going, because you will be fully synced into that session and you will get to know more about you. I mean, whatever the age factor you are, you will get to realize more about yourself. Then you will have some clear ideas what you need to do, not in terms of our regular expectation, salary, promotion. Apart from that, there are many things which is residing in us that we will be realizing in those diamond membership. That's all I have. But finally, I again wanted to use this forum to thank our coach, because I'm nowadays thanking God for showing me a true mentor in my life. He always mentioned about Siddharth Blair, but for me and hope everyone here, you are our Siddharth Blair, everything. A true mentor we felt. Thank you so much, coach, for all your efforts you are putting towards us and bring a best which is residing inside us. And thank you, and I feel very happy to meet you in person. I mean, today I felt really excited that I have got so many friends on the floor. We will work it together. Definitely we'll be in a better place than tomorrow. Thank you.